Welcome to all of you on this very special occasion to celebrate our 75th anniversary. It gives me great pleasure to congratulate all our talented and professional employees for Bourns' success and their tremendous accomplishments throughout the years. My parents had no way of realizing when they started the company in 1947 that Bourns would become a market leader in the global electronic components industry. Please join me as we take a look at how the years unfolded to make Bourns the great success it is today.
Marlon and Rosemary both grew up on farms. Marlon was born in 1920 on his parents' 40-acre farm, 5 miles from the village of Milford, Michigan, about 60 miles northwest of Detroit. Rosemary was a city girl born in 1925 in Detroit, Michigan. In 1929, her family moved to a farm near Milford. Although their childhood farms were only 12 miles apart, Rosemary and Marlon did not meet each other until a few years later. During his time on the farm, Marlon enjoyed reading Popular Mechanics and Mechanics Illustrated, working on projects and building mechanical things. They included a shooting gallery for BB guns, a small working submarine, and 2 small autos adults could ride in. Marlon attended the University of Michigan, majoring in physics and taking many engineering classes. Rosemary's parents sold their farm and moved into the village of Milford. Marlon's grandparents' home was near Rosemary's piano teacher's home, and he occasionally saw her walking to her lessons. When Rosemary was in the 11th grade, Marlon asked her on their first date. After high school, Rosemary entered the University of Michigan, majoring in education, and graduated in 1947. While Rosemary was attending the University of Michigan, Marlon had been transferred by the university to work at the California Institute of Technology. Marlon drove back to Michigan for Rosemary's graduation, and 3 weeks later they were married. The newlyweds spent their honeymoon driving to California. Shortly after arriving in California, Marlon and Rosemary launched Bourns Laboratories in Pasadena on a shoestring. Their garage served as the drafting area, research lab, and manufacturing facility for their new company. Their initial products included the first miniature linear motion and vane potentiometers, altimeters, and pressure transducers. These instruments designed for aerospace applications had to meet military specifications. Their applications were for flight monitoring and control on several new aircraft and missiles being developed. They obtained only a few small orders at first, but were overjoyed to get a very large $17,000 order from the Consolidated Vultee Aircraft Company in San Diego. This was the first significant order to make their business dreams come true.
My parents used their little kitchen stove and refrigerator for hot and cold temperature testing to ensure our earliest products met military specifications. From humble beginnings, the company grew.
By 1949, they had 8 employees working in the tiny garage, and it was time to move to bigger quarters. A 20 by 50-foot storefront building was rented in nearby Pasadena. In 1950, the Riverside Chamber of Commerce and other local Riverside business people made several visits to Pasadena, urging the company to relocate in Riverside. The company moved into a rented 8,000 square foot facility in Riverside, which rapidly grew to 25,000 square feet. The move out of the Pasadena facility and into the Riverside facility was done over the 3-day Labor Day weekend in 1950 to avoid shutting down production. The worldwide headquarters of Bourns remains in Riverside today. In 1952, Bourns was incorporated, and that same year Marlon designed the first trim pot potentiometer, and the company started producing it.
One of the company's first key product designs occurred when my father didn't go to the office one day in 1952 because he wasn't feeling well. While at home, he drafted the design of a new and radically different adjustment potentiometer, which was much smaller than any other potentiometers available at that time. He named the new product Trim Pot, which remains an important registered trademark for Bourns and is recognized throughout the industry.
The Trim Pot potentiometer received widespread attention when it was introduced at the Instrument Society of America show in Cleveland, and Marlon obtained several patents for the device as well as 91 other patents for various other inventions. In the mid-50s, 90% of Bourns sales were to military and aerospace customers. With the development of the U.S. space program, Bourns was perfectly positioned to help put America in the forefront of new technology. Amazingly, Bourns went from the garage to the moon in just 20 years. The company's transducers were used in the astronauts' backpacks, measuring oxygen and suit pressure, and its potentiometers were key components in the landing control on the Lunar Excursion Module. In total, more than a dozen Bourns products played roles in the Apollo space program, including man's first moon landing in 1969. In 1959, Bourns Laboratories became Bourns Incorporated, and in 1962, a new headquarters and manufacturing facility was built at 1200 Columbia Avenue in Riverside. Soon thereafter, other Bourns plants and subsidiaries were established around the world. In 1968, Bourns built its first international plant in Hillen, Scotland. The following year, Bourns de Mexico was opened in Tijuana. Today, Bourns Tijuana plant is the company's oldest continually operating international facility. In 1980, Bourns opened the Cork, Ireland plant. In 1981, Bourns opened the facility in Costa Rica. Bourns' growth also continued in Asia. In 1986, Bourns opened its Taipei plant in Taiwan. In 1987, Bourns' Hong Kong sales office was opened. And in 1994, Bourns opened its Chinese plant in Xiamen. More recently, Bourns has added facilities in Germany, England, Hungary, Japan, Slovenia, and Tunisia. Today, Bourns consists of 5 divisions: trim pot and sensors, circuit protection, Komatsulite, magnetics, and automotive sensors. The trim pot and sensors division continues to expand to meet new application requirements. With the acquisition of Murata's trimming potentiometer business, Bourns realized significant strategic advantages with a stronger competitive position and additional product depth. Bourns has also expanded its resistor product line with the addition of current sense resistors, which are key to the electrification of transportation. We've also boosted our advanced sensor capabilities, offering standard and custom products ranging from panel and board mount user interface controls to rotary and linear position sensing. The Circuit Protection Division began with the launch of Bourns' multi-fuse overcurrent protection devices and line protection modules. We are now the market leader in producing enhanced high-temperature PPTC devices, and Bourns' growing line gives designers enhanced overcurrent protection handling capabilities that allow for broader use in automotive and industrial applications. To complement these internally developed overcurrent protection products, Bourns has made several acquisitions which have helped position Bourns into one of the broadest suppliers of circuit protection products in the world. Our acquisition of Power Innovations, a spin-off of Texas Instruments, in 2000 added unique capabilities in solid-state overvoltage protection thyristors and power diodes. In 2001, Bourns acquired Jocelyn to add a leading line of overvoltage gas discharge tubes, and in 2008 it was Fulltech with its extremely quick transient blocking units. More recently, in 2019, the acquisition of Keiko Vericon has added breadth and depth to our industry-leading overcurrent and overvoltage protection portfolio, leading to the development and introduction in 2021 of the Isomov Hybrid Protection Component, a fully integrated gas discharge tube and metal oxide varistor overvoltage device. We are very pleased that the Isomov Protector received the Most Innovative Passive Electronic Component Award for 2021 by Electronic Products Magazine. A very successful addition to Bourns was the acquisition in 2014 of Komatsulite, a leader in the development and production of thermal protection devices for rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Komatsulite is a significant contributor to Bourns' long-term growth with our industry-leading mini breaker devices that enable extended battery life. We celebrated Komatsulite's 75th anniversary in 2021. Bourns' Magnetic Division was formed with significant investment in new product development and the acquisition of several industry leaders, to offer a comprehensive and continually expanding line of automotive-grade power and signal transformers, power inductors, and EMI components. The product breadth we supply today helps designers meet essential power conversion, isolation, EMC compliance, signal integrity, and density requirements. Bourns' recent acquisition of Koshki, a market leader in the field of customized magnetic components and ferrite cores, extends our competence in the development and production of application-specific magnetic products. Our automotive division has become a proven leader in the design, development, and manufacture of an extensive range of customized automotive position, speed, and torque vehicle sensors used by leading automotive and commercial vehicle manufacturers and their third-party partners worldwide. In close collaboration with our customers, our advanced design methods help ensure that our products meet the highest standards set for the automotive industry. One of the core values Bourns was founded on is customer focus, and the industry standard for measuring superior customer service is the TTI Supplier Excellence Award. In 2022, Bourns was extremely gratified to win the prestigious TTI Global Operations Excellence Award for an unprecedented 7th time out of 11 times the award has been given. In addition, Bourns was the first supplier in the industry to sweep the TTI Diamond Awards in all 3 regions, North America, Europe, and Asia. This is an impressive achievement and a strong compliment to everyone at Bourns for their dedication and hard work. The commitment to bettering the future doesn't stop with customer focus and technology solutions. Bourns also has a strong philosophy of giving back to the communities where we live and work. Over the years, Marlon and Rosemary's children, Gordon, Linda, Anita, and Denise, have taken active roles at the company. In 1994, through the generous donations of the Bourns family and the Bourns Foundation, the Marlon and Rosemary Bourns College of Engineering at the University of California, Riverside was founded. The college has become nationally recognized for its Center for Environmental Research and Technology and for its programs in chemical engineering and computer science. The Bourns family is also dedicated to numerous community outreach programs, green initiatives, scholarship opportunities, educational events, and other community relations activities. A major ongoing initiative is the sponsorship of a variety of events to further education in science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM fields. As part of our corporate culture, we encourage our employees to help mentor students who want to advance in the STEM fields. The Bourns Technology Center, located at the Bourns corporate headquarters in Riverside, hosts many of these STEM education events. This facility is dedicated to facilitating strong partnerships between local companies, universities, and the community. In 2020, the Bourns Foundation invested in developing the Bourns Family Youth Innovation Center in Riverside, with the goal to help propel students into an innovative tomorrow by providing opportunities for them to be mentored by professionals in the application of coding, 3D printing, laser cutting, and video production systems to pique their interest in pursuing STEM careers.
Happy 75th anniversary, Bourns!
When they founded Bourns, my parents had a simple philosophy: provide unique, high-quality products, responsive service, and exceptional value. My father stressed the importance of quality, delivery, and price, saying that without good quality, no one would buy the company's products. To continue to grow the company and help guide our decisions that will keep us successful for the long term, our focus will remain on advancing our capabilities of our people and investing in the development of innovative new products and technologies. By serving our customers with products of exceptional quality and value, we look forward to continually expanding our customer base. On behalf of the entire management team, we thank our employees throughout the company for their commitment to the values established early in the history of the company by my father and mother. We'd like every member of the Bourns team to know how thankful we are for their valuable contributions to the success of our company. We are so grateful and humbled that through the hard work of so many people, Bourns can celebrate this remarkable landmark 75th anniversary.